Hello everyone, we are back at the Pacific Beach again. It has been a long time. In fact, we have done many outdoor activities in our last camping trip, but the outcome was not too promising. Anyway, we are here early today, hoping to catch some surf perch. And I just got myself a brand new rod. We'll see how it turns out. Man, móc nguyên con hao mồi. That's like 20 cents.
Câu có được bao lâu rồi? Đâu đó.
We played the casting game in the water for hours, but no bite. So we're gonna go raise the clam and the tide is low now. Dirty job, not easy. Why you come late all the time? Come on, we are almost done.
Đâu.
Huh?
Có sư phụ tới đào chưa?
This is the lazy Nguyen. He always show up late as usual. We almost cat our limit and he finally show up.
This is the master with the master tool.
That is Nguyen, he's so unprepared. He doesn't even have a boot or a wader. He tried to be super young by not feeling cold.
Hey, this come from one pool.
Yeah.
One pool right here.
But he's freezing right now. His leg is like freezing. No more feeling left.
I'm showing Tree how to do it.
Yeah, he did calm in style. Come on, this is a public Nguyen. Stop it.
This is hard, man.
Oh, right there. They're next to it.
Where?
Right there. Here. Right here.
Wow, Tree này giỏi quá.
Đó đó. Oh. I thought you good at finding it. Your bucket going away. Got drip away. All right. Oh, yay.
Ô, lạnh quá mẹ. Trời ơi, nó rít lại không có ra rồi. Lift lên. Ốp chặt vô lift lên, từ lift lên cho mình cái nhóc.
Yeah. Pull up something good. All right. Look like there's another one next to it.
Where?
Right here, somewhere down there. There's a lot of people. Even the kids can get it. Oh, mắc tiêu rồi. Catch it. Yay, good job, Tiên. Jason, right here.
I know.
Oh, right here. All right, after about 2 hours digging, we have caught the limit for all of it. About 6 limit. we're gonna go home. I guess we'll decide what to do with the clam later.
Oh, cái đó sashimi ăn là hết sảy rồi không?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got wasabi.
Can't wait to go home to try out the clam, so we just do it right here. I think he's gonna deep fry that thing, make it super chewy.
Cái torch kìa.
Oh, the torch.
Cái này chỉ cần torch miếng là ăn được rồi.
Hồi nãy bắt được một con cá đâu? Cá đâu?
Viên rồi đó.
Oh, they probably ate already. So put. We caught only one.
Cái size bự quá ha. Actually, I thought it should be bigger.
Yeah.
Nghe thấy
Okay.
trên YouTube như nó bự hơn mà không?
No, that's the same size. They just zoom in on YouTube.
Oh.
See, we're trying to refill before going home.